Hi, Miss Curdy here again, and today we're going to be working on subtraction with this time with a double zero in the mix. So let's take a look at what we've got here. So I know that when my top digits are smaller than my bottom digits, I'm going to need to regroup. So looking here, I know I can't do the ones column because I have nothing in there, and I can't do the tens column either at this point because both of those place values are empty at the moment. So just like before, I'm going to need to come over to my hundreds and take one of those away. When I break up that 100, I know it gives me 10 tens, so I can fill up my tens column. Now I can take one of those tens away and give it to my ones column, so now I'll have 10 ones there. And all of my regrouping is finished. I'm ready to subtract. 10 take away 8 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, so my answer is 22. And of course, I can check my work with addition. At any point when you feel like you want to give one a shot, just pause the video, try one out, press play, and see how it goes. If it goes well, keep doing them on your own and then checking them. If you're still a little iffy, stick with us and we'll keep working through these. So here I see I have an empty ones column and an empty tens column, but down here I've got 4 tens and 9 ones. So I know I'm going to need to regroup. I have 800, so I'm going to take one of those hundreds away, so I'll have 7 left. And now that I've broken up that 100, I've got 10 tens, and I can take one of those 10 tens away and give it to my ones column. And now I'm ready to subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. All right, our next one, 0 and 7 I cannot do, 0 minus 5 I cannot do. So once again, I'm going to take 100 away, fill up my tens column with 10 tens, and then take one of those away so I have 9 tens and 10 ones. Subtracting 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0 for a total of 43. So check in with yourself. If you're feeling like you want to try one, go ahead, give it a go, and then come back here to solve it with us. Let's take a look at this one. Once again, I've got 2 zeros here, but they're stuffed down in my bottom number, so I know I will need to do some regrouping. I'll take 100 away, and now I can fill up my tens column with 10 tens. I can take one of those tens away to give to my ones column, and now I'll have 10 ones. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5. And remember, you can always check your work, and that way you know how you're doing at all times. Let's take a look at the next one. Again, I have my double zero, but down here I've got a 4 and a 9, so I know I need to regroup. I'll take 100 away, fill up my tens column with 10 tens, take 1 10 away to give me 9 tens, and fill up my ones column with 10 ones. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, last one. If you have not paused the video and tried any of these on your own, please, please, please do that now. Give it a shot, tinker around, check your work over here on the side, and then come back here and press play to see how it went. Looking at this problem, I see I've got 0 tens and 0 ones at the top, and I have an 8 and a 4 down here, so I know I'm going to need to regroup. Once again, I'm going to take 1 away from my hundreds and fill up my tens column with 10 tens. I can then take one of those tens away, so I have 9 left, and now that will leave me with 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. When I check my work, if something doesn't go right, I know not to panic. I'm just going to erase my work here and give it another shot, seeing if there was a goof with my regrouping or if I just subtracted incorrectly. That's the nice thing about being able to check your work with addition on the side. So that's all for subtraction right now. Depending on how you're feeling, either continue working on some practice problems in your workbook or sign up for a mini lesson with your teacher to get a little bit more help on this. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here for our next videos. Bye.